In this tutorial we are going to create a banner to upload to your LinkedIn profile. So to create the banner you need a tool called GIMP. So you can go to gimp.org and download this tool. This tool is a free image manipulation program that is available for Linux, Windows and Mac. Once you download and install, you get to see a window like this. Now you need a file called, you need the source file, creative LinkedIn banner.xcf. You can find this file in the video description below. Once you open this file, you get to see this, and now you will see 5 different layers here: background, photocopy, title, subtitle and contact details. If you want to change the title, click on the title, click on this text tool and click here and type anything. Similarly, you can change the subtitle, the contact details. Suppose if you want to add a new image, just drag and drop this image anywhere here, and you see this image is added here. Drag this image to the top and it will come to the top. If you want to move this image, click on this move tool and move. Similarly, if you want to move the title, click on title and move. Once you are done with this, click on file, click on export as, click export, click export. Now go to your LinkedIn profile. You have to go to view profile, then click on edit profile background, click on creative LinkedIn banner.png you just saved, click on open. Now you will see that image perfectly fits and click on apply. See, now you see that banner got applied to your LinkedIn profile. Thank you.